Hello everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. My name is Brian Esteban and today I am thrilled to share with you a traditional Colombian recipe, carne a la llanera. This delicious dish is not only a favorite in the Llanos region but is also enjoyed throughout Colombia. Is often prepared during festive occasion with celebration. So let's start on the culinary journey. Here are the ingredients you will need to make carne a la llanera, beef preferably from a you calf, salt, wooden skewer or others of metal squares. No less took about you to prepare this amazing dish. First, we have to choose our cuts of meat. The four traditional cuts are los tembladores. This cut is from the chest area is sliced into long strips. La osa, this includes meat from the neck, touch, yoke, and throat. The cuts should start from the top of the calves and extend downwards. La raya, this could confront the Winchester and should be sliced from the upper thigh down to the tail, aiming for a round shape. La garza, this is the area around the udder. Option 1. Marinate the meat the day before with salt, spice, and splash of beef and flour. Option 2. If you prefer, you can simple season the mix with salt on the same day. This is considered the traditional method for preparing authentic carne a la llanera. Now let's move on to the cooking process. First, uh, tray the meat onto the skewer. This should be placed on the special structure called a burro, which allows the meat to cook over the glowing embers of the fire. Might choose to have enough charcoal. Checking is frankly to maintain an even throughout the cooking time. The class the classy fire setup is circular, may need special piece that allow the meat to cook evenly around the flame. You can also roast the meat in clay or brick ovens or if you have oven available. On the meat is good profession is time to serve traditionally carne a la llanera insert on table covered with banana leaves. At Forsyth, you can enjoy is the roast potatoes, plantains, yuca, or the fried salad or the cois. Thank you for joining me today in making this delicious carne a la llanera.